toes get ready. We're gonna try it. The barrel cooker while we're self-distancing. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I just wired these in there. You can roll them back and forth. So we're gonna hang the ribs here. Let them hang straight down. Here's where we're gonna put our coals, and we'll put this part to that part. And then of course put our top on it. No water pans needed. We're just gonna try some versus the ones we have in the smoker, like always. We're gonna see what this barrel cooker thing is all about, since we ain't got really much else to do right here. But anyways, that was just I was gonna throw this deal away, and I've been wanting a barrel cooker, so we're gonna see what this will do. All right, moment of truth. We got our coals ready. We got the ribs. We got the deal in there to hold them up. Got our coals ready, and we're gonna go ahead and hang our ribs. We're gonna hang it on this one. I think it's gonna be the highest one, and we're gonna go for 45 minutes and see what happens. After that, we're gonna wrap them. But anyways, I've been wanting to do this for a while. But anyways, stay with it. All right, we got the ribs on there. We're gonna let them cook for 45 minutes. You can see they're hanging there, the coals over there. We're gonna let them go like that for 45 minutes, then we'll put them on the old grill and we wrap them to finish them off. It's cooking good. The only airflow is down here around the bottom, and then it's got some spots where the charcoal goes. I'm not sure that's gonna be the right amount of air. So I'm liable to have to cut a square here. Not sure yet. That way I can open it or close it due to how much air I need. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, we're gonna move them just a hair. Oh, they're smoking good. Let's push this over just a little bit. Just adjust it. Let it cook like that just for a little bit. We added some apple smoke to it, some apple wood. Get that smoke flavor. Turned out pretty good. Anyways, we'll get back with you as soon as we pull them off. All right. All right, time to pull them. Oh yeah, looks really good. Look in there. Go straight up. All right. Carry them over here. Nice sear. We're gonna add some brown sugar, some butter, okay, and some honey. Put the moisture back in it. Got some chunks in it. It'll be alright right now. We ain't going to the store. We're just getting fresh brown sugar. Pull that out. Put this on the old grill. This ain't going in the smoker, so I want to keep it really. Already put a little bit on there on the bottom when we flipped it there. So wrap them and move. All right, got them wrapped. Brown sugar, butter, and honey. Time to start the next process. All right, we're gonna cook them on this grill right here with the charcoals for 2 more hours. Maybe not even that long, but we're trying to do something different. All right, moving on. She's practicing social distancing. Ain't you, girl? Huh? What do you think about it, huh? Oh, you're camera shy. Okay. I don't blame you. Everybody trying to stay away from each other. That's a wrap. All right, that's it. I prefer them that way. If you like a burnt-in taste, you need to definitely cook them in like a pit barrel or something similar like this right here. Really good flavor. Versus the smoker. Smoker is more juicier, but you don't get that bark. But anyways, hope you like it.